Hi folks, we have a new scooter here. This is called a Golden Light Rider by Golden Technology. I'm really excited about this scooter. This is a really well built, small, portable scooter. So I'll go over the whole scooter as we go along real slowly so you can all understand properly what I'm talking about. But this is the Golden Light Rider GL111 model. This is the 3-wheel. We also have it in the 4-wheel, but this is the 3-wheel. This scooter has a total weight capability of 300 pounds. This is one of the few scooters, it's a portable scooter that'll go 5 miles an hour. So this scooter has a top speed of 5 miles an hour. It has a weight capability of 300 pounds. It has a distance, a range of about 12 miles. That's up to 12 miles. It all depends if you're outside, the weight of the user. If you're going uphill, you're not going to get 12 miles, but up to 12 miles. It also has the lights on it. It's a really nice scooter. The tires on it are solid tires, and they're 3x9, 3 inches by 9 inches. They're solid tires. You have a real nice platform for your feet. The seat on this scooter is a swivel seat, as you can see. Now the seat measures 17 inches, but with the cushion here, it's about 18 inches. So if you're sitting on the cushion right here, you're probably looking closer to 18 inches. In the manual, it says 17, but this has what's called a pillow top. So it's got a pillow top cushion all the way around, and the seat swivels all the way around. The arms do flip up, okay? This scooter right here is only 22 inches wide. So it's 22 inches from wheel to wheel, 22 inches. It's 41.5 inches from the front to the back. It's 41.5 inches, okay? If you get this scooter, you also get the flag that you can put together like this, and then you can have them go. There's a slot right behind the seat, especially for your flag. You just slide it down the slot right there, and you have a flag, okay? It does come with 2 baskets, basket in the front, basket under here, okay? The scooter has a delta tiller, means it's a rounded tiller, so if you only have one hand, you can drive it from this side forward and then put your hand on top and use your thumb to go back, reverse. So you can do forward and reverse on either side, okay? You also have a horn. You have 2 keys that come with your scooter. And you have a speed button right here. And the speed button goes from rabbit to turtle. And you have a battery gauge. You'll have 3 red, 3 orange, and 3 green. You have a total of 9 lights. As you're using the scooters, the lights will go off one at a time. So if you've used it for 3-4 hours, you may not have any green lights. You may be in the orange. And then when it's almost empty, you might be down to 1 or 2 red lights. So it kind of goes backward when the batteries are empty, okay? So let's talk about, I'm going to take this little protective cover here for the LED light off. Let's talk about how to take it apart. So if you're going to take this scooter apart, here's what you do. First thing I would do is take the basket off. Next thing I would do is fold the seat down and raise the seat straight up in the air like this. You can see how easy that was. The seat probably only weighs about 25 pounds. Now you have a basket right here that comes right off. It sits on magnets. So this is a second large basket under your scooter. It doesn't weigh anything. You also have a battery pack. You can see the handle here. So if I pull straight out, now the battery pack probably weighs about 25-30 pounds. Let me say something about this battery pack while we're at it. You can take this battery pack in the house, and right here is a port to charge it. I'll show you how to use a charger in a minute. But you can take the battery pack in the house and leave the scooter in the car. The batteries in the scooters are larger. They're 18 amp batteries, so they're larger than most batteries. So you get about 12 miles, up to 12 miles for a charge. That's your battery pack right here. So now what do we have left? We have the back and the front left together, okay? If you want to take the back off, right over here in the back, there's a little handle. Push it up, and now you can disconnect the front. Now this right here doesn't weigh anything, probably 20 pounds, okay? Now what I would do with the front here, I would drop the tiller down. This is called your tiller. Drop the tiller down, but I would not go all the way down, folks. If you go all the way down, you're going to hit the horn. You're going to keep it there, and right in front of your scooter, right in front here, you notice how the wheel still turns? Right here, there's a lock. If you turn that, and lock it. Okay, so now this is your heavy piece. This is 44 pounds, okay? So nice thing about this, it's all tubular, so it's easy to grab. So if you wanted to put this in the car, this is what you're looking at, okay? So you can see 44 pounds. So is it light? No. Can you do it? Only you will know. It's 44 pounds, so you need to know that. When you put it back together, bring your tiller back up, tighten it up. Make sure you unlock your wheel unless you want to go straight all the time. Unlock your wheel. Yeah, I always have trouble with this. Push and turn. Unlock your wheel. Bring the rear here, and you'll see when you put it together, there's these yellow hooks going to these slots. You can't miss it. When you put it together, just bring the slots together, and it locks automatically. Okay? Put the basket in. The basket will snap in place as soon as the magnets reach each other. Put the battery pack back in. The battery pack goes down with the slots right here in the bottom. These little slots, and you'll see metal slots. It goes down that way, okay? Slide it in there. You can hear it snap together, and you can see the power is back on. When you put the seat on, I usually like to bring it like this. I can see what I'm doing. Put it right in here, and the seat is already locked. Put your front basket back on. That's locked in place. The only thing I want to show you now, folks, is this scooter right here has a neutral lever. So if you turn the key off and you go right behind your scooter right here, you have to be inside your scooter. There's a yellow lever right there. You can't miss it. It says brake right next to it. Pull the lever back towards you, and now your scooter is in what's called freewheel, okay? Make sure when you're done freewheeling it, you put it back in gear so you can drive the front. I've got people put it in neutral and then they keep calling, and you know what the scenario is. If you want to expand the arms out, you can just loosen up these knobs, and you can even take the arms off, okay? So you can expand your arms out, and if the arms are moving like this when you're driving, just tighten up your knobs over here. Don't tighten them too tight because you're going to break the plastic. You have a docking device here. If I pull this cap, there's a cap here, but you can put in here a basket, oxygen holder, cane holder, walker holder. This is what this port is for. So this scooter has everything. It also has the tip wheels in the back. It has the pouch for your manual to put in here. I'm going to turn the power back on, and I'm going to bring it back over here. And we're going to talk about the charger. I already have the charger out of the box to save time. This is the charger that comes with your scooter. When you charge this scooter, you can charge it right there. So let me just put it this way. So right here, if I can take this tag out of the way, there's a little port right here. This is where you would charge your scooter if you're going to leave the battery pack in. Now, if you take the battery pack in the house, you just take this and your battery pack in the house, and you're ready to go. Okay? So let's recap. This is the Golden Light Rider portable scooter. Why this scooter is a little bit better than most of them out there? Because it's a tubular frame. It's a real solid frame. It does have a 300-pound weight capability. It has a top speed of 5 miles an hour. You don't really see this on small portable scooters. It has a little bit larger wheels. They're 3 by 9 inches, solid wheels. The scooter is 22 inches wide by 41.5 inches long. It has a swivel seat this way. It's a total of about, it says 17, but it's about 18 with the pillow top cushion. The arms flip up and they also go out. You do get the flag with your scooter. The tiller is fully adjustable back and forth depending where you want to drive. So if you need it a little closer to you. As I said, the top speed is 5 miles an hour, 12-mile distance on a battery charge depending how you use your scooter. You also have the light in the front of the scooter. So the light switch is under here. So you can see it right there. That's your light switch. I just found myself with a light switch at. This is an LED light. It's a really, you can see it's a really bright light. Okay, so you have an LED front light. I'm gonna turn it off. So folks, the heaviest piece on this scooter is the front end when the motor's apart. It's 44 pounds. That's your heavy piece. And so you have the frame, the back motor, the 2 basket, and the battery pack and the seat. 4 or 5 pieces, but you have a really solid scooter. This is the Golden Light Rider, Golden Technology scooter, the GL111 model. This is the 3-wheel model, and you can see how sharp it turns with 3 wheels. So if you're looking for a really nice, well-built, small, portable scooter, and you can handle 44 pounds, I would highly, highly recommend this one. This is the Golden Light Rider GL111. This scooter stops really good. So when you let go of the speed, when you let go, you can see how it comes to a brake. The motor has an electromagnetic motor, so it stops the scooter from going any further. It stops within a foot or two, okay? You have plenty of leg room. I can stretch my legs all the way over here. The seat is super comfortable because it has a pellet top seat. So it's a portable scooter, but a little bit higher quality for a portable scooter. So if you wanted to see how sharp it turns, I'm going to turn it as sharp as I can right now. That's pretty darn good. It's pretty peppy too. So it has no problem in the grass, as long as your grass is nice. You know, I mean, they are portable scooter, but it does have quite a bit of power through the grass. So this is the GL111 Golden Technology Light Rider portable scooter. This scooter here has a 300-pound weight capability. I know I'm repeating myself, but some of you want to hear it twice. So 300-pound weight capability. Total width is about 22 inches. Total length is 41.5 inches. Heaviest piece is the front end, 44 pounds. The seat is about 17-18 wide by 16 deep. It's a swivel seat. You do get the flag on the back. You get the large basket up front, which most scooters have, but you also get a second basket. And look at the size of this basket under here, under your scooter right here. You also have the headlights, 2 keys. The tires are a little bit bigger than most. They're 3 inches by 9 by 3, solid tires. Tubular frame, which gives it a better, not as much torque. So this is the Light Rider by Golden Technology. Just a nice little portable scooter. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Mark's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.